The 1957 case of Wilson v. Girard. This case involved a U.S. military personnel killing a Japanese citizen on a U.S. military base in Japan. Girard, the U.S. officer, was participating in training exercises with his unit when a spent ammunition case he fired towards a Japanese civilian hit her on the back with lethal force. Initially, the United States took the position that Girard was acting at the time in performance of official duty. Therefore, the United States claimed to have the primary right to try Girard in a situation of concurrent jurisdiction. Japanese authorities contended that Girard was acting beyond the scope of official duty, and therefore Japan had the primary right to exercise jurisdiction. These claims relied on two agreements: the 1951 Security Agreement between the U.S. and Japan and another protocol agreement under NATO. These agreements gave U.S. service members a certain measure of extraterritoriality.
After lengthy negotiations, the United States yielded to the Japanese position and agreed to waive its jurisdictional claim and delivered Girard to Japanese authorities. Girard filed a writ of habeas corpus in a D.C. district court, claiming that he should be lawfully held under the custody of the United States and not Japan. The court denied the writ, but asserted that the United States Army did not have to hand him over to the Japanese. The decision was then appealed to the Supreme Court of the United States. The issue being discussed was whether a sovereign nation has exclusive jurisdiction to punish offenses against its laws committed within its borders, unless it expressly or impliedly consents to surrender its jurisdiction. The court found that in this case had no statutory or constitutional barriers. Therefore, the determination was to be made by the executive branch. Since the executive branch already agreed to waive its jurisdiction, the court must rely on that and the security agreements between the United States and Japan. As a result, Girard was extradited back to Japan to face trial. Building on the precedent established from this case, the United States has agreed to consider handing over suspects in serious cases, such as rape and murder, to Japan before they have been charged, as seen in the 1995 Okinawan rape.